everyone, it's Mona here at Klatch, and today we are going to use resin to make a fun craft for kids. This project is for the little girls who love to imitate their mommies and play with makeup. So I went to the dollar store and I bought all of this inexpensive makeup, and we're going to turn it into like little kid makeup. As we've talked about in videos before, you can use eyeshadow to tint resin. So that's really basically what we're going to do. So I'm going to take a bunch of little cups and put some of this makeup in here. And I'm not going to use all of these, but I might put them in like a little cup or a bag on the side that I can use in the future. I'm going to take my craft knife. I'm going to start with the pressed powder. And I'm going to kind of scrape it into this cup, just kind of break it all out. And then I'm going to just use my stir stick and I'm going to crush it all up. And you want it all powdery, you don't want any big clumps in there. Now I'll do the same with the eyeshadows. And you want to crush those just like you did the cover up. Now we're going to work on our makeup project, and I have some cups and I have resin mixed. I'm going to pour just a little bit into each. I'm going to take the colors of that eyeshadow that we broke out and I'm going to mix it into the resin. So you have this beautiful looking blue. So we'll put the blue in here first. We'll just drip it right in. Then I'll do the same with the pink and the green. And then you can take your lighter, quick pop any bubbles, and then just put it aside to dry for a minimum of 12 hours. Then we're going to move on to the next one, and that's going to be the pressed powder. So we've got some resin and we're going to take that pressed powder, put it in there, mix it up, and pour it in. Again, you want to take your lighter, pop the bubbles, and then set it aside in a spot that's going to be safe where it's not going to fall over while it's curing. So in these, we just need a little bit of different colors, but instead of using the makeup, I thought it might be fun to try a little bit of glitter. So that's what I'm going to do in these instead. So you put a little resin into a cup, and then you pick a fun colored glitter. And then you just add it to your eyeshadow case. Our makeup is all finished, so now we can check it out. So it looks pretty real. Now I happen to buy this stuff at the dollar store, but you could certainly, if you have some old stuff that you wanted to replace anyway or get rid of, just keep the containers and make some fake makeup. Here's the pressed powder, and it came with a little buff, so you just put it right on in there and the kids can play with it and pretend they're putting on makeup like mommy. This is one I did with the actual eyeshadow that I broke out of there, mixed it with resin, and it came with the applicator, so it looks real. And this is the one that I decided to do with all the glitters. Look how sparkly those are. We know kids love glitter, so do I. So this was an easy project and very inexpensive because I had the resin on hand and I had the glitter on hand, and the rest of it was just $3 at the dollar store. Be sure to let me know what you think of this down in the comments below. I hope you like the fake makeup and I hope you give it a try. Let me know what you think of it down in the comments below, and I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye guys.